I also wanted to ask you, what can we do? Of course, working obviously with the practitioner to help specifics. And I also want you to talk about how you help patients in our VIP program that we have that we've been offering, but also then if you could share about maybe some take home tips of some products people can use if they wanted to just, let's just say, start working on their sinuses, for example.
Yeah, so that's kind of what we touched upon earlier, which is, if we know someone's exposed to mold and mycotoxins, we're just gonna do sinus stuff. Like, sorry that you got that for a year. So I tell people to do kind of make it as a daily ritual, your sinus protocol. So you can do either a neti pot with distilled water only, or a nasal lavage that you can get, at the pharmacy. That some you just kind of squeeze it up there, um, and you could. So Microbalance is a company that we love because their products are non-toxic and effective, right? So we use them a lot. So one of the things that I love is the Citri drops. So for those who can see them, we got the Citri drops. And you can put one drop of that in your nasal lavage or neti pot, and that will help. But still, it's important to do the nasal lavage or neti pot because you want to kind of get all the mucus out. So then things like the Citri drops or a nasal spray, if you do a nasal spray afterwards, then are getting onto the surface of the area. Like, oh yes. So that's a homeopathic. Um I like that for people that don't like herbals, right? Because sometimes I have people that have sensitivities to tastes and smells, right? So the Citri drops are great for that because they're homeopathic, so there's no real smells or tastes with that, right?